Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take a full-size screenshot in Google Chrome without extension. So let's go to the Chrome browser first. Now open a page you want to take a screenshot like this one. I want to take this screenshot, this page screenshot. So all you have to just go to this three dot icon which is top right corner. Scroll down a bit and you'll find here more tools. Click on more tools and you'll find here developer tools. This option, developer tools. Click on this. Now you have to click on three dot icon which is this top right corner beside the X cross icon or beside the settings icon. Click on this one. The cursor is blinking here. Click on this and you'll find here this run command. The third option, run command. Click on this run command. Then you have to write here screenshot. Screenshot. Now choose the second option, capture full size screenshot. Just click on this and you can see here that your screenshot is ready. Now if you go to the browser file location and you can see the screenshot here. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.